Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a little unboxing from Fansells. Now, I am not affiliated with Fansells. I purchased these with my own money. So I just wanted to show these off to you to see what you guys think, any feedback. And yeah, let's get into it and see if you guys liked anything. I will link all these items in the description below. But before we get into it, I do want to say thank you so much for joining me today. All my subscribers, I appreciate all your support. I appreciate you joining me today. I hope you guys appreciate my background because this is my craft room and I figured you guys would enjoy it. To see that I just not only do cross stitch, I crochet, I do cross stitch and diamond painting, but right now my heart is in my cross stitch. So, but let's get into this. And yeah, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, then please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it so much. So let's get into these kits now and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did open the package just to make sure that I knew where it was coming from. And this did come well packaged. It's in that mailer packaging paper or wrapper. Really secure. Everything was in tight, was all tight knit. So here we are. We have a spring brand. I'm just gonna take everything out of the packaging. Okay, so the first kit I'm taking out is this from JoySunday. Sorry about the glare. But this is an 11 count, 28 by 29 centimeters. Look at that. And I just fell in love with the pineapple. It reminds me of SpongeBob. So this originally was only in 14 counts. And I reached out to Fansells and I asked them if there's any possible way that they can make this in an 11 count. They got back to me and they said that they had made it available and it's on the website. So I was able to purchase it in 11 counts. My poor eyes and old eyes, I can't do a 14 count with JoySunday. So I requested for it to be an 11 count and they were able to supply it. So kudos to them. So with every JoySunday, it'll come with this resealable bag. And then the instructions, if you don't know how to cross stitch, the instructions are in the back. Now this bag is sealable, but it's not waterproof because there is a hole here. So you cannot get this wet. Okay. So let's open this up. Let's see. Okay, so here's the picture. Let's see that. And there you have it. It's beautiful. And the pattern is really legible. It's easy to read. There's a lot of back stitching here. You can see that. Look at that. So with this, okay, it's okay. I have my dogs in here. So they're, any little sound they hear, they want to alert mom. So for this kit, we have, let's see. We have in total 41 colors. And then we have one color for half stitch. No, I'm sorry, 2 colors for half stitch. And then 2 colors for, I'm sorry, I read that wrong. No, so we have 41 colors and then 1 color in half stitch and then 1 color in French knots. Now, I don't know how to do French knots. I'm gonna be honest, but I'm pretty sure I can pick that up. I hear it's not that hard. So with JoySunday, since this is a newer kit, they are giving you 2 legends. So one is going to be for the canvas or for the Ada, and one is going to be for the pattern. You want to follow the one that's on your Ada so that you can put and stitch the appropriate colors. But look at all that back stitching. Wow, look at that. That's a lot. It's all over. It's all over the pineapple. It's all over the background. The light, this has a lot of back stitching. But like I said before, back stitching actually brings the image to life. Do not be afraid of it. It's not difficult. Is it time consuming? A little bit. Is it worth it? Yes, very much so. Look at the Ada. Nice white Ada, no saturation whatsoever, which is good. This, look at that. That is easy to read. This is serged all the way around. Again, it has 41 colors, and just look at that. Look at that. So easy to read. I like these color choices that they choose. The pastel ones that I've seen in the past are very light, so it makes it hard to read, especially with a 14 count or with my poor eyes. So it's, you know, I'm not able to read it so well. I'm gonna need a light and then a magnifying glass, and I don't want to stitch like that. So I rather do an 11 count. But this I can do in hand. This you don't need a frame. It's amazing. So this is called Pineapple Hut, and it's supposed to be like Christmas time. It has snow and everything in it. Okay, let's put that away and let's look at the colors. So with every Joy Sunday, you will get 2 needles attached with your color card, and their threads always come like this in these paper floss cards. So you have the choice. You can transfer them to a ring, you know, to organize them better, or you can just keep them here. It's a small canvas, so I don't see myself taking them out of here. I'll just keep them here in these floss cards. But look at those colors. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. I just fell in love with the pineapple. It reminds me of SpongeBob, and I just love SpongeBob. Okay. So that is one kit. Let me go ahead and put this away, and I will show you the next one. The next one, it's another Joy Sunday. It's the Superheroes. I'm excited about this one. Oh my God, look, it's so cute. They're so cute. I love it. So this, again, it's a Joy Sunday. This one is a 14 count, and it's a 55 by 16 centimeters. 55 centimeters by 16 centimeters. So it's a longer one, and it's not wide. So again, it comes in a resealable bag, but not waterproof. So let's put that there. This is a picture so you can get an idea. Oh my God. Aren't they the cutest? Oh my goodness. All right. So this is the pattern. This is a nice glossy paper. And here we have the color legend. This is an older kit. There's only one color legend here. So I want to think that this is only pertains to the pattern. This does not pertain to the Ada, which then you would have to reference back. If you can't see something on the Ada, if you can't tell what the symbol is, you have to look at the pattern and then reference back to see what the picture is here, which is, you know, kind of annoying if I don't say so. It's a little annoying, but it happens sometimes, with Joy Sunday or with, any kit. But a lot of times you see now a lot of the color legends are coming that they just pertain to the Aida and the pattern, or just the pattern matches the Aida, and that would just be easier on everybody. But again, this is broken up into 1, 2, 3. It's 2 pages. Very easy to read. This is not hard to read at all. Look at that. And la 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 la, no back stitching. This is all full stitch. Full stitch. Look at that. No back stitching, no half stitches, no French knots. This is a full stitch, and this will be an easy stitch. So let's look at the Aida. Uh-oh. This is cute. So let's look at the Aida. Look at that. Look how simple this looks. Again, this only has 22 colors. I didn't mention that earlier. This only has 22 colors. Look at that. We got a Ninja Turtle, which I believe that's Leonardo. We got Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America, Batman, the Hulk, Wonder Woman, and Groot. Oh, this is so cute. This is serged all around. Okay, sorry about that. So I was getting dinner ready, so I had to pause for a minute, but this is so cute. This is serged all the way around. This is 260 stitches by 60 stitches, and it's called Superheroes. Okay, let's look at the colors. Okay, look at that. Again, 2 needles attached to your floss cards. There you go. Look at that. It's a nice, easy stitch. This is not going to be hard at all. This is the cutest thing I've seen yet. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. And the JoySundays don't come with a toolkit. It just comes with needles. So they do not come with a toolkit like needle threaders or anything like that. But I have enough of those. I don't need that. So I will do one more, because this haul, this Fansells haul is pretty big. So I will be breaking this up because it's a lot. Okay, and then we'll go to the next one. This one. Look at this. Isn't this a dream house? Dream summer house, getaway house. Look at that. I love this. So the story behind this kit, I originally purchased this kit in 14 count, and I did not like the way the 14 count was looking. So I again reached out to Fansells and I asked them if there's any way that this can be made in 11 count, and they made it happen. This is an 11 count, 55 centimeters by 55 centimeters, a perfect square. Look at that. It's called Seaside Lighthouse. I just love this one. I just love it. Again, resealable bag, but not waterproof. Let's take this out, show you the picture without the glare. There you go, look at that. It's just, I want to be here. Like, I just want to be there. Look at that. Okay. The pattern, again, is that flossy card type paper. Very flossy. The flossy, you hear me? I say, oh, glossy. I have floss in my mind. I have floss in my mind. Okay, so this is a glossy paper. It's broken up into 6 frames. Okay, and let's see. This is 195 stitches by 195 stitches. Okay. So, yay, this one came with 2 legends. So this one has full stitch, and it's 60 colors of full stitch, and it has back stitching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors of back stitch. That's a lot. That's a few. Okay, and then we have the legend for the Ada, and then the legend for the pattern, or vice versa. Let's look at the pattern. I'm only gonna show a little bit. I don't want to show a lot. Let's see. I'll show the sunset. I'll show this one. Look at that. That's easy to read. That's very easy. Then you see some back stitching here, and then back stitching here, and then the flowers also have back stitching right there. All those lines. You know, it's not a lot though. I want to say, okay, so you only have back stitching in the flowers, barely in the lighthouse, and some on the tree branches, but that's it. Like you don't have a lot of back stitching, so that's good. Okay, and now let's look at the Ada. Okay, again, this is all serged. There's no saturation. A little bit right there, but that's not a big deal. And it's nice and white, nice and stiff. And here we have it. Look at that. Look at nice and clear. It's an 11 count. Oh, this is nice. Look at that, nice and easy. I love the color choices here. It's not like those pastel color choices. It's nice, vibrant, easy to read, legible. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, and put that there. Now let's look at the colors. Again, there is no toolkit. This just comes with needles. So again, this comes with 2 needles attached to the floss card. And then this is all the threads. Look at the colors here. Look at that. I just want to be at this lighthouse. What do you guys think? It's just so peaceful. I love these colors. I love vibrant colors. Look at that. So let me know what you guys think about these. Let me put those here with you. And yeah, what do you guys think of these 3 kits? Do you like them? Do you like the way the Ada is printed? Like, leave me any comments, some feedback. I appreciate any comment, and I will get back to you. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. These are awesome. I do have more coming up, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. This is all I have for now. I will do another part for the rest of the kits that I got. But again, thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you want to see more content. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. Have a great night, day, morning, wherever you are in the world. You take care of each other and keep on stitching. Bye.